Hello people, get ready with me for the festival Me-Dam-Me-Phi. First you'll start with the skincare. Now skincare is really important before putting in any makeup. Now this video is just like the full step. First skincare, then makeup, then hair, and then the clothing part. Now without skincare your makeup will not look any good, so you have to make the canvas very smooth. Now for the makeup, I'm starting with the primer from Nika Super Light, and this is really good. I highly recommend this. I brought it newly and I love it. Now for the lips, you have to put a lip balm, and then the two concealers I'm using. One is the red one, which is the color corrector. I'm putting all over my dark spots and my under eye dark circles, and then the lighter concealer and blend it. For the foundation, I'm going for K Beauty Cushion Foundation, which is really good. It's a game changer, guys. It blends easily. It doesn't give you any cakey finish. It gives you a flawless finish. And for the blush, you do not need any new blush. I'm just using Faces Canada lip gloss in the shade Wing Woman and just blend it. That's it. And set with a setting spray. I'm using the teacher here. And after setting spray, you have to put a mascara, not before. That's the rule, guys. And then for the hair, I'm first putting serum, then brushing thoroughly, and then go for the straightening. Trust me, guys, you have to do this. And then after that, I'm going for the clothing. The lower skirt is known as Fa Sin in Tai Ahom, and the upper blouse is known as Fa Su. And this is the fit, guys. Now I have a third piece of cloth known as Riha, even after these two pieces, and I'll put it like this. For the lips, I'm going for the Faces Canada lip gloss that I have put in my cheeks for the blush, and that's it. I'm ready, guys. So how do I look? Did I slay? Comment below. Thanks for tolerating this whole video.